Now, some would say this is quite a worrying development for the party who is supposed to be a vibrant opposition, especially in a democracy like ours. But one wonders, is it so difficult to resolve all of these issues? Because we've had suspension and counter-suspension for quite some time now, and there are reports that the party is even divided as it is. There are factions already. But talk to us, what really is going on with the PDP?
I think you're right when you say it should be a concern for any Nigerian that is interested in the politics of Nigeria, not only in PDP. This issue is not only about PDP. It's going to affect Nigeria because if the PDP that is seen as a major opposition in the country today is not together or is not doing their job as opposition very well, they are not able to do it. The ruling party will not be put in check. And that's why I say a concern for any Nigerian that is interested in the affair, in the progress of the country. You see, I have said it here several times that, look, the problem in crisis, the issue in PDP today is because of people who have a personal agenda, personal interest, who want to impose their personal interest on everybody, who don't even have the interest of the party at heart, who are only concerned about putting forward their own personal stake. It's about just making the party, how do I say it? That they are indirectly working for the opposition as far as I'm concerned. That's where I see it. It's debatable. You can say yes or no. You can agree or may not agree. But because I see anyone who's in the party and who believes or who thinks that he loves that party will be creating crisis in that party. Or let's even talk about the acting chairman who was supposed to be in charge for just for a few months or a few days, pending when a substantive national chairman will be appointed. And he wants to remain put and he doesn't want to leave the stage. It's not normal. And he's not even acting very well in terms of progressing the party because it's like he's working for one agency that is trying to destabilize the party.
So this agency, we don't know. It's not a phantom agency.
It's an allegation from him because except you have proof to show that
there are individuals who
he is actually working for the opposition.
No, I say it appears. It appears he's working for people who are not interested in the progress of the party. Because how can you, as a national chairman, be taking steps that will hinder the progress or that will affect the interest of the party?
What are these steps?
Yeah, for instance, like the purported suspension of the legal advisor and the what's it called, the publicity secretary. What were the reasons why they were said to have been suspended by the acting national chairman?
For investigation?
No, that's not even the proper procedure. I'm not even going there. I'm trying to tell you the reason why he said he suspended them. So if you see that reason, you will now realize that, look, any serious a chairman of a party or leader of the party will not take that position, whether rightly or wrongly. The national, what is the offense of the national legal advisor, according to the acting national chairman or those within his caucus? The offense was that the national legal advisor took a decision to appeal a case against the party, which is within his power. That is constitution of the what's it called? Of the party. Of the party. Because that is his responsibility to defend and issue cases against on behalf of the party that have the interest of the party in. A case or a judgment was said to have been delivered against the PDP in Rivers State, particularly regarding the 27 lawmakers. And the national legal advisor, as a senior advocate of Nigeria and a lawyer whose responsibility it is to defend the party, tried to appeal the case. What is bad in that? Alas, the acting national chairman and the national secretary wrote a letter to the court, disassociating themselves from the appeal. What are they saying indirectly? Let the judgment stand, and whatever that will happen to the party will happen. So if you are taking that kind of a step, are you looking for the progress of the party, or you are looking for the downfall of the party? So for me,
so you don't consider
what is
as an abuse of office?
It is not. I've just told you that the constitution of the party empowers the national legal advisor to defend and institute action against the party. So what is that one? How is that one in subordination? I'm doing my job. How is doing my job and in subordination? I was acting within the constitution of the party and in subordination. So for me, because you see, I have said it here that crisis that we're seeing today may not end, not because there's no way to end it, That because those behind it have a mindset and they have a target. Once they have a target to achieve, and once you have a mindset, there is nothing anybody can say that will persuade you to change it. And that's what they did after the primary of the party. And since then, they've been continuing to do that. Everybody, unfortunately, these are the people who have benefited
from the party.
From the party.
So we want to know how many.
So these are the people who have been brought up by the party, who have been taken to where they are today by the party. So majority of them. So because majority of them don't even have a job, a proper job. Why they venture into politics in 1999? And today they are called multimillionaire. From where? From the opportunity given to them by the party called PDP. And they are seeking to
your position.
So one needs to ask your party why they are giving that kind of a job to people who do not have something they are doing on the sidelines, rather than
how many people in other parties, the APC, the other party, that majority of them are not job.
We don't know about Labour Party, any other party. We are
talking about the PDP.
Currently.
So it is within you are part of the party, so you should understand the party and what is going on in the party. We do not know.
When I say they don't have a job, I know some of them who are lawyers, but they're not practicing.
Hear them.
That doesn't mean they don't have a job. I'm saying they are not where they are today.
They became career.
They were not where they are today.
Right.
Where at the time they got that opportunity. But rather than use the opportunity to advance the growth of the party, they are trying to, for their own personal interest, which they think they can. It took by far the other after. It may not be today, it may not be tomorrow. Everybody will be serviced.
Okay, so we have, at least I know of two factions in the PDP. I don't know whether there are even more than two.
There's no faction for now.
Well, there is the Demagun faction, and then there is the Yari faction. You just mentioned it.
There's no faction.
So he suspended.
You mentioned it earlier.
He suspended the national legal advisor and also the national publicity secretary temporarily, according to what he said.
Yes.
Yeah.
But then, saying that afterwards we had this duo also suspending the national chairman. The acting. That
does not play the faction.
No,
okay.
There is
House is just divided.
They are members of the same.
So the House is just divided against itself.
I can agree with that. There is a division in terms of people taking decisions. People taking decisions have disagreement regarding positions of things.
Right.
Yeah.
So that does not mean there's a faction or division in that regard. Division in terms of taking decision within themselves. So I will not agree that
it's factionalization.